In this video, we're going to learn how to make a for loop in Python. Now, what a for loop is, it's a programming construct that lets you go over every single item in some data structure like a list, or over every single number in some defined sequence of numbers. So to give an example, I've defined a list here with some different characters in it. And we're going to make a for loop that goes over every single one of these characters in this list and does something to it. And in this case, we're just going to print it. So to do a for loop in Python, you just say for, it's a special keyword. Then you write some variable that you want to give to each thing as you go through the loop. We're just going to call each one character in this case because they're characters from an anime series. So for character in, and then the thing you're looping over is what you put after in. In this case, it's a list called characters. So for each character in our list called characters, then you put a colon, and after that, you indent whatever comes after that, and that is the body code that is run within the for loop. So for every character, we're going to do something with it, and in this simple case, we're just going to print it to the screen. So you can see that it went through every single character and printed each one on a new line. Another thing you could do with a for loop is loop over a range of numbers. So to do that, we could do something like this, for num, so that's like number, in, and then we're specifying a range. So we should see the numbers printed from 0 to 10 in order here for each iteration of the loop. Now, a couple other important things to mention about for loops is it's possible to skip iterations using the continue keyword. So we'll give an example of doing that. In particular, we're going to say if the number mod 2 is equal to 0, basically if it's divisible by 2, then it's going to do something different. And in that case, if the number is even, that's what that means, we're going to say continue. Continue means skip to the next iteration of the loop and don't do anything more. And if that's not the case, we're just going to print the number. So what this is going to do is anytime it sees an even number, it's going to continue to the next iteration. And anytime it doesn't see an even number, it will actually go to this print statement. So what this should do is print out all of the odd numbers in that range that we're looping over. And then one final thing you might want to do with for loops is to break out of the loop entirely before you actually get to the end of whatever structure you're iterating over. And you can do that with the break keyword. So we're going to do the same thing for num in range. We're looping over these same numbers, but we're going to put in this statement here that says if the number is bigger than 5, break. And once the break keyword is reached, it exits the for loop entirely and then goes on to whatever code might be after it. In this case, there's nothing after it at all. But so what this for loop is going to do is as soon as the number being looped over is bigger than 5, it's going to exit. And before that, it's just going to print the number. So this was a basic overview of how to make for loops in Python. If you found this video useful, you can drop a like or hit subscribe. And thanks for watching.